Nice one, cool dudes. I am here on an overcast day at Tisbury Station. Where is Tisbury? Well, it's a small village here in Wiltshire, and this is the Tisbury Circular. I wonder how far it is. It's 13.7 miles. It's 11 o'clock now. The bad news is it's going to absolutely belt it down with rain in about 3 hours. So this could be an horrific walk. Luckily, I've got my brand new Euroshum swing hands-free umbrella. Pretty cool, right? It's an early birthday present. Well, it is my birthday present. I've got early from my parents. So fingers crossed, it will protect me. I've got my waterproofs on, so expect a lot of rustling. All right, shut up, Marek, and just go with it. You haven't got much time. Good luck, everyone, especially me. I expect you'll be wanting some Tisbury facts or Tisbury tidbits. Anyway, this walk is from the Saturday Walkers Club, and on there it's got some interesting information which says that Tisbury found its prosperity from a nearby quarry which provided the stone for Salisbury Cathedral. Pretty good fact. Already, pigeons in Tisbury, disgusting. I was just thinking back to when I used the word tidbits. I hate that phrase. And people who now say oftentimes. It's just often, not oftentimes. What annoys you? All right, left up here. Please write below. Oh, danger up ahead. This is the danger. Whew. I'm glad I managed to avoid that danger. That poor man has definitely got his work cut out over the next few months. This walk is taking place in mid-May, and because of all the rain and suddenly a brief spell of hot weather, everything's gone crazy, so these paths might be quite overgrown. The walk is so poorly signposted. Although it's very pretty, I'm a sweaty mess, and it's so easy to go off route this walk. Semele. Become a magnet for midges and flies. I couldn't work out why until I remembered my waterproof cover is luminous yellow. And I had the same thing when I had the luminous yellow coat as well. Just don't make them in luminous yellow. It's ridiculous. I'm really in a bad mood. This is my question for farmers. Why do sheep always seem to have 2 lambs? Please write below. Hang on a second. It's a perfect name for a cool dude's walking club house. Maybe one day, my friends, I'll be the resident of Cool's house. I read a tip once that you're supposed to put bits of sheep wool you find into your shoes if you get any blisters. The rain is slowly coming down harder, cool dude, but I'm putting my umbrella up for 2 reasons. One, because I'm worried about woodland and getting it tangled up. And the second reason is, cool dudes, is that it feels as though the moment I put my hands-free umbrella up, attached to my rucksack, I sort of go past the point of being a loser that I can never return from. Sort of like you've completely given up on being cool. I wouldn't worry, normal Marek. That happened a long, long time ago. Oh, right. heading to a place called Hinton. I've seen they've got a church there, which I hope to take refuge in, even if it's just the outside porch bit, to have my lunch and set up the umbrella for the terrible second half. There's no such thing as the dog poo fairy. Look at that. Jackpot. Not even by the church. Yes, please. Lunch is BLT. Almond and raspberry nutty balls. Mars Duo bar, strawberry laces. Maximum unhealthy. The moment has come, my friend. Here we go, cool dudes. It is attached. Ready to rock and roll. But how does this work? There is attached to your belt of your rucksack here and clipped on here. Also, you get another clip here, so you could attach it to the other side if the rain was coming in from one angle. Pretty cool, right? Yes, yes, yes. The sheep are fascinated as to what is going on. The upside is I'm not getting wet. The downside is I can barely see anything. The rain is coming down harder now, cool dudes. So it's time for question of the day. As you may remember, I asked you to send in your good questions, and Feetune says, what was your most embarrassing young person moment? Well, once, cool dudes, it was my best friend's younger sister's birthday, and my mum decided to buy her some white frilly shorts, and she put them on my bed to give as a present and wrap up. But she didn't tell me this, and I thought they were for me, so I put them on and ran downstairs and said, I'm not wearing these white frilly shorts, which were quite tight, and everyone laughed at me. Another moment my mum likes to remind me of was when I got my first proper bike when I was about 7, and I sat on the saddle and I said, I can't ride this, I'm scared of heights. These get told to every single person who comes to visit our house, even though they happened over 40 years ago. Please write your embarrassing young person moments below. I would love to read them. Another question from one of the viewers was, have you ever cut one of your walks short? Yes, I'm going to cut this one short. It's just relentless rain, and no one wants to see a grumpy man with a hands-free umbrella for more than 2 minutes. So I'm going to take a detour, hopefully taking 2 miles off the walk. Yeah. This umbrella is a joint birthday present from my mum and dad and my brother, and retails at £62. I'll put it on my website where I list all my gear. I try to work out the price per use to see how much value the things are. Be honest, I would have paid £5 not to get soaked. So if I just use this 14 or 15 times, it'll probably be value for money. Although it does mean I haven't got any presents on my birthday. Oh, I've just thought, perhaps you're watching this and you're thinking, I'd like to give Marek a birthday present. Oh, thank you. And what a better birthday present could there be than joining the Cool Dudes Walking Club? How do you do that? Go to join on the channel section, click this button, choose what tier of membership you want. And guess what? In return, you get to use these emojis, watch all these members only films, and you get into the prize draw. So you get something back too. What a good idea. Thanks to everyone who has joined. I'm cutting out this section of the walk and heading straight into Tisbury. as it should take me close to my Airbnb where I'm staying tonight. And I've already found a pub that's open called the Boot Inn, where I hope to be having a burger. That's what your money goes towards. Nice one. This is the point where I take the shortcut this way. This is the Weir. And good timing too, because I'm feeling a little weary. It's a hydro power turbine. Powers 13 houses. What a good idea. The shortcut route looked like it was someone's house, so it turns out my shortcut might even be longer than the walk in total. I hate this walk. I'm not enjoying myself. Zero enjoyment. Now I have to walk along this road for a mile. Right, cool dudes. Here in Tisbury, that detour saved me 0.1 miles. So the walk was 13.6 miles, 5 hours 21 minutes. Probably an hour wasted due to terrible signage. Tisbury is now known as the home of bull path signage. There's only one thing left to say. Well, it's not. Prize will come up next. I'm so tired, I'm so cross. But nonetheless, I will manage to stay cool. What a miserable idiot. I hope I don't meet him down a dark alley. Anyway, this week's painting. It's so beautiful, isn't it? It can be yours. This original masterpiece, available on eBay now. Starting price, £7. Link around here somewhere. Please bid all of your money. The paintings are UK only, I'm afraid, because I have had some difficulty them getting lost, sent to the US. Anyway, it is time for the prize draw. This week, the prize draw contains a Sandown Clown keyring, cards from Rather Good Art, more wonderful cards from Stripey Art, a pack of Pooh-Man cards, the greatest card game of the 21st century, a badge, a sticker, and a trip to Avebury theme. Gosh, I'd like to have that for myself. Currently, there are 589 of you supporting me on YouTube. Thank you so much for doing this. Right, let's get on with it then and say, random number generator, generate me a number. Generate 166. The 166th longest serving member on YouTube is Paul T at 22 months. Paul T, if this is you, please email me at calldueswalkingclub@gmail.com with your address and I can send you the prize. Okay, cool dudes, it's time for the keyring gallery. More keyrings available on the website sporadically. Please send the pictures in landscape mode because they look better. Alright, that's it. Oh yeah, one more thing. Stay cool.